Printed products are never going to go out of style. In fact, in an ever more digital world, they're actually one of the best ways you can stand out from every other marketing material. InDesign is the best piece of software to create beautiful, print-ready graphic design, and it's even easier when you start with a template built for you. Welcome to a showcase of 10 new InDesign templates that every creative should have in their arsenal. This roundup is going to include templates like magazine templates, flyers, and many other printed products that'll help you build anything you need. Think of these templates as tools in your belt that are always there and ready for the job at hand. You can source all of them with the help of Envato Elements, the all-you-can-download source for creatives. One license, unlimited downloads, endless possibilities to create a project. If you've never made a magazine, it might help to know that all you really need is a template. With the help of Kinda Magazine, you can bring a publication about anything to life. It's a great way to promote an upcoming product launch and tell your story, for example. This is the type of high-value template that can help you launch a community publication to tell all of the best stories in your area. With 40 pages, you'll never lack the layout you need. Another great example of a printed product is a flyer. Hang it on a bulletin board or hallway, and you never know who you might attract. This education-themed flyer is a great example. Maybe you could use it to promote an upcoming course or class and show what the attendee is sure to learn. 2 sharply designed pages are sure to stop someone in the hall to check out what you have to offer. Love travel and showing off the good life? Well, the Lifestyle InDesign magazine template will be right up your alley. It's this type of printout that really could get someone excited about a new destination. It's photo-focused, but it also has enough information to show off all the best details in writing. With over 32 pages, you have the layouts you need that can show your favorite destinations. Use the free fonts for stylish text details. For a smooth and modern magazine, we've got you covered with Gradient Magazine. Over 32 pages, you'll see the modern design trends that are sure to capture a viewer's attention. It's all you need to create a magazine that feels straight from the future. My favorite thing about this template is that it has all of the classic pages you need to put together a cohesive printout. Or sample only the best few page templates in order to create a feature-length article that stands on its own. Running a company? Well, it's important that you tell your story. Your investors, employees, and customers will want to periodically hear from you. Issue an annual report with this company profile that's perfectly designed to show all of the important details. Update the recipient on key initiatives, major products, and anything else of interest. It's print ready and uses CMYK color schemes to help any print shop handle the job easily. In the creative industry, you're always lucky to land a meeting with a potential client to pitch them on what you have to offer. To stand out from the crowd, it helps to leave them with a price list like this template, targeted at the wedding industry. A written version of your price list ensures that they have all of the important details while making their purchasing decision. The front side has plenty of room for a feature image, while the reverse has enough room for text to share your products and packages. Need a good general purpose flyer design? This one is sure to do the trick. It's ideal to load it up with information, but thanks to the white space of the design, it remains easy to read. You could use this for practically any purpose, but here are a couple of ideas. How about showing off the services you offer? Or maybe use it to share a successful case study. Again, if you're meeting with clients or leaving marketing materials, use this to make an impact after the fact. A portfolio is that key document where you put your best foot forward and show off your key projects. This portfolio booklet fits the bill perfectly thanks to punchy page layouts with plenty of space to explain your success stories. You could mail this to a potential client to set the stage for the type of work that you'd love to deliver. It's another great example of a superb starting design that's easily customized to your specifics. Starting a new restaurant? How about dropping off a few brochures at nearby businesses to lure the lunch crowd and more? This bifold restaurant brochure could serve as so much more than a menu because it really gives the viewer a sense of your unique culinary approach. Use the 18 pages to explain not just the food you cook, but the passion you put on the table. Last but certainly not least, maybe you want to create a special commemorative keepsake for someone's big day. The wedding book template helps you create the professional printout to commemorate their wedding day. It's going to bring wedding photos to life without learning layout techniques from scratch. There's plenty of layouts so that every photo will find its natural place in the book. Best of all, you can even add text to help tell the story of that day. There's no need to create everything on your own. Remember that with Envato Elements, design becomes the drag and drop exercise you always thought it could be. There's no chance that you'll ever be missing the perfect file to create a printed product quickly. Be sure to like our video, and while you're at it, subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel, where you'll find countless other content roundups and tutorials to help you create your own projects. These help you build the skills to design anything you could ever dream of. Thanks for watching.